In this video, I'll detail how to shut off iPhone. So whether you're using iOS or not, there are a few ways you can use to shut off your iPhone. So here, I'm basically going to describe at least 3 different ways you can use to shut off iPhone. So 2 ways works for almost all iPhones, and the third method works on only iOS 18. So if you don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to shut off your iPhone, all you just need to do is press the side button and the volume up button together once. Then once you feel the haptics, just slide to power off. So this is going to shut off your iPhone. So it doesn't matter whether you're using iPhone 12, iPhone 15, or even iPhone 6. Now another way you can use to shut off your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, you want to scroll down and then select general. Once you select general, scroll down and click on shut down, then slide to power off. And lastly, if you are using iOS 18, you can quickly shut off or shut down your iPhone by swiping down the control center, then locate the power button at the top right, then click and hold it. Then let it go, then you should see the option to power off. So that is all you just need to do to power off or shut off your iPhone. So in summary, there are 3 ways you can use to shut off your iPhone. You can use the side button and the volume up, or go through the settings, general, and then select shut down to shut off. Or on iOS 18, just swipe down the control center like this and click on the power button at the top right. So this is how you can easily shut off iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.